learning it not by my lecturing about it, but we are learning it through analyzing some data on it. That's one thing we're doing, that you are learning. The other thing that you're learning is methods, methodology. Have you learned methodology before? Yes, a lot of statistics. Yes, a lot of statistics. Yes. So we will do some more. We will learn about how to study things. How to study things, especially in the social world. What things that people do, we will learn about how that can be studied. If you don't like to study people, but like to study plants or animals, then just think about that, plants or animals instead of people, okay? Because we collect data on that also, and we analyze it in the same manner, okay? So you can think about that instead of thinking about people, if you wish. If you wish, okay? So, we have an agenda. We have an agenda. It will be printed